Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I tell about the Shahjahan and Mumtaz Mahal love story and tragedy. Let's get into the video. Shahjahan and Mumtaz love story and the facts about their life history and the theme of the Taj Mahal stories are available everywhere. There is too much said and written about biographies of Shahjahan and Mumtaz Mahal already. So I tell our love story. The present video discloses some unknown facts about their life, such as where both of them met first, how did Mumtaz Mahal die, where did she die, how many children they have, why was Taj Mahal built, did Mumtaz see Taj, etc. Such questions often come to our mind before planning the Taj Mahal tour. Besides providing the answer to the most asked questions, this video presents the full description of her death and circumstances. Shahjahan and Mumtaz Mahal story of love. The Prince Sagubuddin Muhammad Khurram was born to Emperor Jahangir and the Hindu mother Jodhabai in the year 1592. He had the title name as Shahjahan, later which signifies the Emperor of the world. He was born with a silver spoon and enjoyed all the privileges of the royal legacy. Had the marital training and studied theology and academies from the best scholars. His grandfather Akbar showed immense love for him. How did Shahjahan meet Mumtaz Mahal? Once, as usual, taking a stroll through the celebrated Meena Bazaar of the Agra fort, he had a glimpse of a beautiful Persian girl hawking the handicrafts and jewelry. The first sight of this paragon of beauty ignited a sense of love feeling in him. It was very customary with the ladies in the Meena Bazaar to shop the valuable items in their stalls, as they had the best customers in the royal ladies. Love enamored prince could not have slept for a couple of days, and inquired about the whereabouts of the Persian chit. He came to know that this girl is no one else but the niece of his stepmother Noor Jahan and the daughter of Asaf Khan. Thus, the story of Amour started. In the year 1607, when both of them were almost 15 years of age, with the due course of time, this passion of fondness multiplies in both the hearts, and finally, 5 years later, the betrothal, the marriage of them, was solemnized. Thus, both of them was yoked together in the legal marriage bond in 1612 and started living together like a pair of swans. Shahjahan and Mumtaz Mahal happy married life. This couple spent around 19 years of married life in fun and frolic and mutual trust, while he was reigning over the empire, dictating the commands from the royal court, issuing the royal orders, or even leading the army expeditions. She followed him like a shadow. She bore to him 13 children and provided him the heir apparent. Is the eldest son Dara. He made his other three sons the governors of different other provinces of India. Dark past of Shahjahan and Mumtaz love story. While Shahjahan was ruling, he was too busy in the state affairs, and as was customary, he dictated Dara, his eldest son, as the successor. He showed excessive love on Dara, neglecting the other three, not a sensible father. He could not understand the behavioral change. Aurangzeb, who started nurturing a sort of apathy to father. Until Shahjahan was strong enough, he was able to cope with the situation. Aurangzeb led the successful army expeditions, always hiding his hatred towards father. In the same time, a day came when Shahjahan was started by the rebellion of Kanai Jahan Lodi. With the brisk speed, he decided to lead the army camps to south. Lady Mumtaz also decided to move with him, despite the fact she was pregnant and was not in a very good state of health on account of a feeble body. Where did Mumtaz Mahal die and how? Shahjahan ordered for encamping at Burhanpur. After almost 800-kilometer long run, everybody was ready with all might to attack Lodi ruler, and after a couple of days they were glad to defeat him. Shahjahan and other nobles with their all paraphernalia of welfare celebrated the event unknowing what is there in the future box. There are different camps and the lady Mumtaz Mahal is expecting Shah Jahan spend most of his time with her. Mumtaz Mahal pines for apple that are hard to get in that area. Sufi hermit warning to Shah Jahan. The legends say at the same time a Sufi hermit came with a pair of apples and also warned the emperor to be cautious of the person close to him with black eyes and white skin. Shah Jahan ignores the suggestion. This person, his third son Aurangzeb, with black eyes and white skin, hatches conspiracy against father and captivates him in the future. Who was with Mumtaz Mahal at the time of death? Mumtaz Mahal in her tent is surrounded all around by the expert midwives and physician. Jahan Ara, her elder daughter, and Satul Nisha, her selected maid, is standing close to her. Shah Jahan is outside the camp and waiting for the good news. He is in touch with the henheads who serve as messengers. All of a sudden a message comes to him and he rushes to the spot. All others are directed to move away except Jahan Ara, the favorite maid, and the royal physician Basir Khan. A sudden quietness prevails. Mumtaz Mahal is groaning under the labor pains for more than 35 hours. Her visage is turning pale, and a sort of drowsy numbness appalls her body. If the Taj Mahal, Mumtaz Mahal's first tomb, as Burhanpur is almost 800 km away from the capital of Mughals, Agra, the body of Mumtaz was buried in Burhanpur for the temporary period as Shah Jahan wanted to erect her tomb close to his palace in the Agra fort, which you can easily see the memorial of Mumtaz every day. With all the religious practicals of Islam, Mumtaz was entombed and Shah Jahan returned to Agra having the memory mercury load on his heart by the loss of his companion. He commissioned the project of the Taj Mahal and called for the top architects available. He could complete it during his lifetime and see it, but the grass is not always green. He had to suffer more losses, the loss of his freedom, monarchy, and let the life set of his life, his desolation during the house arrest. When the real tombs of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz are open, the real tombs of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal are open during the time of URS, death anniversary of Shah Jahan, which falls according to the Islamic calendar in the month of Rajab, is the 7th month. According to this calendar, the URSA of Shah Jahan is going to fall in 25, 26 and 27th of Rajab month in 2020. According to the Gregorian calendar, these dates are on 21st, 22 and 23rd of March 2020. It's my first video. If you like my video, like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new more videos. Keep support me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye guys.